fry pan and the handles come loose. The issue here is the rivets have worn their way loose. So we're going to repair that. I'm going to use this shoe last to place the pan over, like that, and then use this concave punch on that, hit with a ball hammer to compress the rivet and squash the rivet back down. While I've got the pan in the workshop, I'm going to give it a quick clean with the brush, a wire brush on an angle grinder to get rid of this carbonaceous build-up. You can see that's on the sides there. The bottom's okay, we're not going to touch that, but just around the edges and things, it's quite grubby. So we're going to give that a good old clean up and then a wash. Heat the olive oil in the pan until it starts to smoke, then turn it off, let it cool before wiping it off finally with a piece of paper towel. It's cooled down now so you can wipe off that excess oil. And there you go, ready to cook again. Nice solid handle. It's about 20 years old, this pan, and it's done a lot of work, so it's good to have it back, fixed, ready to go for another 20 years.